In this project, we begin by importing all essential Python libraries, including Streamlit for creating the interactive web dashboard, Pandas and NumPy for data manipulation, and Scikit-learn for machine learning operations. The page configuration sets up the Streamlit interface with a clean, wide layout and a title, Credit Risk Modeling Dashboard. Next, a file uploader component is added, allowing users to import their dataset in CSV format. Once the data is uploaded, pre-processing begins. Missing values are handled using the simple imputer, categorical features are encoded with label encoder, and data scaling is applied through standard scaler. The user then selects the target column, splits the dataset into training and testing sets, and chooses a model, logistic regression, decision tree, or random forest. This section also covers the backend logic, training the model, making predictions, and generating in your default browser. The Streamlit dashboard loads successfully with an intuitive layout. Now, the user uploads the dataset, the system loads it, and shows a quick preview of the raw data in a scrollable table. Then, the target variable is selected. Here, it's the job column, focusing on predicting if someone's a student. Logistic regression is selected as the first machine learning model for classification. The confusion matrix visualizes model performance, showing correct and incorrect classifications. A SHAP summary plot provides insights into how each feature contributes to predictions. The app also generates a CSV file containing actual versus predicted results available for download. This prediction file displays the actual and predicted columns for performance. A new CSV with decision tree predictions is generated and downloaded for comparison. The predictions are reviewed, and the user then switches to the random. Lastly, the target column is reset to Previous, and the video concludes with the closing screen. Thanks for watching. If you found this project helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more data science tutorials.